Hi there, here is a quick demo of Defer to Prod functionality in the dbt Power User extension. Before jumping into the demo, I would like to explain what exactly Defer to Prod is. I'm going to use this image from dbt docs. Say if you have bunch of interconnected dbt models and you want to update a model that's very deep in all these layers, right? Say model F. When you update this model and try to build it, you have to build all the upstream models in your development environment, which can be time consuming and it can cost a lot of money from your data infrastructure. To avoid that, what you can do is you can just reference the models that have been already built in a production environment. So all the upstream models for model F. And you do that by using a defer to prod functionality. How you use it in the extension is you go into your VSCode, look for Actions panel, and in that Actions panel, there is a slider to enable defer to production right here. When you enable it, the status bar shows defer, or you can just disable it, enable it for whichever projects you want. Now, the defer to production functionality can work in two modes in the extension. One is local mode, where you can give a local path to manifest folder where you are storing all the manifest files from your production environment. You give the path to that, you can select it also, or you can use it with the SaaS instance, which is the second option, Data Pilot dbt integration. Here in my VS Code, I have configured few environments, but how you configure environment is you go to your Ultimate AI Data Pilot instance and just add some dbt integration. You give it a name, maybe this is I'm in Jaffer Shop as prod, and save it. It's basically an anchor. When you go here, it also gives you a command. So you click on this and copy this command. This command is basically, this is to help you upload your manifest files. Okay, so you copy it. I'm going to run this command in my terminal to upload a file. But ideally, you want to run these commands in your CI/CD pipelines, Airflow jobs, etc., where you build your dbt models. Now, the manifest file has been uploaded successfully to the SaaS instance. What you do is, depending on which project you are running, go in that SaaS integration area, and you can choose the integration that you want to use. Last part is favor state flag. How favor state flag works is, say, in the scenario I was explaining earlier, if a couple of upstream models have been built in your development environment, what is going to happen is defer functionality is going to reference those models plus the models which are not present in development from a production environment. So you're going to be in a situation of this hybrid referencing, which a lot of times you don't want. You want everything coming from the production. So what you can do is go to this favor state flag, turn it on so that the models reference are always from the production environment regardless of what is present in development environment. You do that and then everything else is as before. You go and start building your models from the extension as before, and automatically in background your defer functionality will be effective, which will make everything way faster and way less expensive.